Greetings card to my dad.
First we are going to make this best dad card. It is very simple, just we need half paper and we need to make a zigzag fold. I'm going to cut into half, exactly half. If you want at first only, you can cut the paper and fold zigzag in 2 times. Next, cut into half and fold it. We need to stick each other. Just we need 3 papers, that's it. We need just only half A4 sheet paper. With only half sheet only we are doing this. Here just 3 is enough. If you want you can put 4th one also, but with 3 it looks nice. Next I am going to cut a circle shape. Next we need 2 strips. In the end I'm going to cut like a triangle shape. We need to discard that part. Next we are going to stick these 2 strips at the bottom and the best dad circle in the front. Yeah, that's it, ready, simple. Next we are going to make 2 cards with hand shape. First trace the hand and then cut it. For the second one, we need to make sure that it should be jointed at one side so that we can open the card. Next I am going to draw mustache and color it with black. If you have black card paper, then directly cut the shape and stick it. Then here the palm is the face and the 4 fingers are hair. So just keep the mustache and draw the mouth, eyes and nose. Here I kept the position wrongly. Just make sure that the thumb should come up so that the face will look nice. Just I am giving the idea only. Here I am coloring all the 4 fingers with black. See here, if you keep the thumb for sideways, it won't look nice. Just make sure that thumb should come upwards. Next we are going to make one nice card with little hands. Here I am writing Dad love you. Next we need one strip of paper. We need to fold into accordion shape or zigzag shape, and then I'm going to stick these in between the hands so that when we open the hands it should pop up like that. And next I'll write some message on one white paper and I'll stick it to the red paper. Next, decorate with sketch pens, and for fingers also I am going to decorate it with heart shapes. That's it. Very simple and easy and cute card is ready. So we'll do the shirt type card. For that we need scissors, black paper, glue, white paper, scale, pencil and some red color paper. Here we are taking 10 by 15 centimeter card. First we need to fold into half. Now from top we need to mark 1 centimeter and draw one line. The line should be very light. We need to erase it later. And leave the 2 centimeters gap in the middle. We need to cut. Now this becomes the collar. We need to fold like this and we have to stick it. Just check here, the in between gap 4 centimeters is there. We need to fold like that. Just check the shape, how much collar width we need, like that. Next, take a red paper. With that we are going to make a bow. For that we need one strip of length 8 centimeters. Here I am taking. Now fold like this and just check whether the bow size is okay or not. It all depends on the card size. If you take small card, then you need small size bow. That's it. That's why I'm telling check the size. Next we need to glue like that. Here I took 1 centimeter width and 8 centimeters in length. Next we have to cut from the center slanted to make a bow shape. Next we need to cut the back paper also, that extra one. Here I am going to write Happy Father's Day. If you want to write any message here, you can write that also. Now the basic card model is ready. We can write whatever we want. Inside the card, I want to write some message, so I'm going to write it. So the shirt is ready. Next we are going to make the blazer. There is no measurement for this. Just check the second flap will need to cover the first flap, and it should like the blazer. Next we are going to make a pocket. And finally some buttons. If you want, you can put real buttons also. Here I use the paper cuttings in circle shape. Yeah, that's it. The card is ready. If you want, you can just leave it like that. I want to make some more things, so I'm going to make a give medal to my dad. So just draw the medal shape, cup shape, and then cut it. This is just for template. Now I'll trace this on the paper and then I'll cut it. Yep, the card is ready. Here the shirt shape is not nice, so I'm going to cut this part. Here I just ½ inch from sides. Yes, now it's perfect. Done, the card is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.